Good morning, children. Welcome back to Learning Again. In our last session, we started lesson number 10 in the kitchen. In that, we learned about raw food. Today, we are going to learn about cooked food and why cooking is important. So, shall we start? We do not eat brinjals raw. Similarly, we cannot eat raw grains, pulses, meat. We cook them before we eat. The food which is eaten after cooking is called cooked food. Some vegetables and some pulses and grains we cannot eat it in raw form because those are not good if we take it in raw form. Those food items will not be digested. Okay. We do not eat brinjals raw. When we eat brinjals raw, it will become tough to us to chew and it is not good for our digestion. Like that, some poor grains and some pulses like rice, pulses, wheat, raw meat, and all those are not good for our health if they are in raw form. When we cook these items will become soft. We can chew it easily and it will be digested properly. Okay, children. Now, this kind of food which is cooked is called as cooked food. Now, what is cooking? Cooking is the method to make the food soft with the help of heat. For example, boiling, baking, or other methods of cooking. Okay, now what do you mean by cooking? Cooking is a method of making food soft with the help of heat. It may be boiling, it may be frying, it may be baking. When we boil, bake, or fry, the food item will become soft and it will be easy for us to chew and it is good for our digestion. Okay, why do we need to cook certain food items? Let's learn. First one, to make the food soft. Some food items are hard. They are not easy to chew and swallow. Cooked ladies' fingers are softer than raw ones. Rice, dal, and meat also become soft on cooking. When we cook some food item, it will become soft and it is easily chewable and we can swallow it easily. Now, have you seen lady finger? Can you eat lady finger in raw form? No, you cannot eat. When we cook it, it will give nice flavor and it will become soft and we can chew it easily. Like the lady finger, rice, dal and raw meat are hard to chew in raw form. If we cook it, we can easily chew it and it's good for our digestion. Okay. Second, to make the food tasty. Think of eating raw potatoes and potato curry. The cooked potato curry is tasty, isn't it? When you eat raw potato, what taste can you feel? Does it give any flavor or taste? No, it will not. When you cook potato or when you prepare potato curry, it will be tasty. It will be full of flavors and taste, isn't it? Third one, to kill the germs. Uncooked food contains a lot of germs in it. These germs can make us ill. Cooking kills the germs in the food and makes it safe to eat. When we take raw food, sometimes some kind of germs will be there. When we cook, those germs will not be there. So, cooking is important to kill the germs which are there in food items and to make it safe to eat. Okay, methods of cooking. These are the different methods of cooking. First one is boiling, cooking food in hot water, for example eggs. Second one is frying, cooking food in hot oil, for example chips. Third one is steaming, cooking food using steams, for example idli. Fourth one is baking, cooking food in the oven, for example cake. Okay, first one, boiling. What do you mean by boiling? You take some amount of water and keep it on the gas or stove, and after some time that water will start boiling. When you want to eat egg, you cannot eat raw egg, isn't it? You boil the egg and then you eat it, isn't it? For boiling the egg, you need water. That process is called boiling. Okay. Frying, cooking food in hot oil. It may be puris, it may be chips, or it may be pakoras, any other fried items. Steaming, cooking food using steam. For example, idlis, momos, etc. Okay. Baking, cooking food in the oven. For example, cake, biscuits, and many other. Okay, these are methods of cooking. We use different vessels for cooking and serving food. Cooking vessels. Without any vessels, can you cook the food? Can you make a curry without any help using vessels? No, we cannot prepare food without using vessels. Okay, vessels are picked based on the method of cooking. There are different types of vessels which are designed for preparing particular food items. For examples, we use pots for boiling. To fry, we use pans. We need a tawa to make roti. Pressure cookers helps us to boil and steam food. Spoons and ladles are used to mix food. Okay. Can we make dosa in cooker, or can we fry puris in tawa? No. For each food item which we are preparing, they need particular vessels. For preparing rice or any steamed food item, we need cooker. For preparing dosas, chapatis, parathas, we need tawa. Tawa is also called as griddle. Okay. We need frying pan to fry puris, pakodas, fingers. Okay, and we need pot to prepare curries, vegetables, and other items. Okay, okay. After preparing the food, how can you serve the food? With the bare hands. The food will be hot. Your hands will get burnt. What you will do? You use ladles and spoons. With the help of ladles and spoons, you can serve the food and mix the food too. These are cooking vessels: pot, frying pans, griddle or tawa, pressure cooker, spoons, and ladles. Okay. Next comes serving vessels. We use different vessels and utensils for serving and eating food. For examples, trays, plates, bowls, spoons, forks, and so on. Okay, after finishing the cooking, how you will serve, where you will serve the food, on the floor or on the dining table? No, you cannot serve, isn't it? You need plates. For curry and soups, you need bowls, and you need spoons to eat, forks to eat, and you need tray to serve them. These are called serving vessels. Okay, children, now revise once again. Take care of your health, stay healthy. Okay, thank you.